All right, here we are. Going to be working on the 2000 Chevy Tracker fuel pump. I need a screwdriver here. And where are all my little screwdrivers? They're around here. Here's one. First, I got to get put that down. First, I got to get these little clamps off. These are what were supplied in the kit last time. They seem to work just fine. And last time I just had to pull it like this. Yep, that worked. And give it a twist. Now let's see. How do I unplug this? I cannot remember. Like this. I don't want to break this clip off at all. But there we go. That's pretty simple. Oh, she comes right off. Beautiful. Now, as you can see, this one's only a year old, and it failed on me that badly that quickly. I like to keep these clamps, so I can't remember how this comes apart. Oh, like that. Okay, that's how it comes apart. This was a new sock for it last year, and there we go. I don't know why she failed. Don't need a new why. All I know is that she did fail. Here's the new one. It is a Sparta PN2005 fuel pump, and let's give her a look here. It comes with all the standard stuff to use, and let's see if she matches up to that one. I'm feeling already that it is. Yeah. And, boy, I'll tell you, you wouldn't know, but they kind of look almost identical. I wonder if this one, I hope this one wasn't a Sparta also. Oh, they do look identical. But who knows? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I'll have to take a closer look at that one later just to see if it is a Sparta or not. Now I am looking for my knife. I don't see it, so I will use, what do I got here? What do I got in the shop that hey, I just found my vice grips. Awesome. Well, let's just use screwdriver. There we go. Pull that apart. That's right. I had to shorten that pipe last time. Well, okay. Let's take off these little plugs here that are on it. And I dropped that one. And there it is. Okay, I don't want to lose those. You know what? I'm thinking, since this one's already cut right, I'm going to just use this one. I see. So these aren't the same. This one has a brass fitting on it. This one's plastic all the way. That's fine. There we go. It goes in like that. You know what? I'll reuse the clamps. The clamps work fine. I just want to get them back in almost the same place as they were. And give her a nice tighten up here. There we go. She doesn't have to be really that tight, but it's nice to have her tight. Okay. Did I lose something? Nope, there it is. It's the little thing that goes on right there for this. Now, this should just fit on like that. And it does perfectly, as it should. This should go on like that, as it should, but it's not. Do I have my pliers? I do have pliers. There we are. Wow, these are old pliers. Old pliers. Popped off. And I will get it on there. One way or another. What is old screwdriver? There we go. She's on there. Now, I'm going to use this new one. Put her on there like that. And I'm going to move that out of the way. I don't need to plug that in just yet. I'm going to place her in the holder. Or not. Oh, there we go. She goes in like that. So let me just pop. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Let's get this clamp on there. Okay, she fell through, but that is just fine because that is not a problem. Because we'll just move her up and then we will tighten her down. I think everything. Oh, that one's a Phillips. Yeah, I'll use a Phillips. Where do I have a Phillips in the shop here? And that's not one. Nope. I must have a Phillips. Let's see here. I don't see a Phillips. I'll have to go get a Phillips. All right, I found a Phillips. And let's get this thing, put that down. Let's get this thing installed on here. Don't know why they'd use a Phillips. I don't like Phillips. They seem to never work for me the way they should. But I'll use it. That pretty well proves already that this is not the same pump as came off. Because the screws are different for this thing. And there's my other Phillips. Yep, there, we found a better Phillips. This one actually will work. There we go, she's good. And I gotta plug her in now. All right. Sorry, I had you at a camera there. That's a highlight of watching my videos. Always out of the camera shot. All right, and let's plug her in here. There we go, we heard the click. She's clicked in. Everything is together here now. And hey, she looks like she's good to go. Well, that's good. And look at the top of this thing, though. I wanted to clean that up, but you know what? I'm just going to leave it. It's just grime and dirt that have baked onto this thing over the life of this vehicle. I'm going to leave it. Everything here seems really good, so I'm not going to touch anything else and just leave it alone, or I'm going to break stuff. All right, so that is how I installed a new Sparta fuel pump into the assembly. All right, thanks for watching.